How to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Then click on File at the top left. In here, you'll find options at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Options. Then, in Options on the left side, click on General and scroll down. Then you'll find Office Theme. Click on it, you'll find different options. To turn on dark mode, click on Colorful or select White. After you've selected Colorful or White, your dark mode will be turned off. And this is how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.